Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am discussing profit and loss. Profit and loss is an important topic for almost all the aptitude examinations. So let us learn the basics of profit and loss. I will discuss in this video the basics and I will also solve some problems to understand the topic in a better way. There are 4 basic terms. Without understanding those terms, you cannot solve the problems of profit and loss. So let us learn the basic terms. First one is cost price. What is cost price? The price at which we buy the product or the cash we are spending to buy a product. Then second one is selling price. What is selling price? The price at which we sell the product or the cash we get by selling the product. So if we buy a product at a cost price and sell it for some other price, then we will either have a profit or loss. So when we will have a profit, if our selling price is more than the cost price, then we will have a profit. So we are getting some extra earnings from that. So we will have a profit. If our SP is greater than CP, then we will definitely have a profit. So when we will have a loss, if our selling price is less than CP, then we will have a loss. That is, the price we have spent for buying the product is greater than the price or the cash we got by selling the product. So we will definitely have a loss. So profit and loss are difference between selling price and the cost price. If selling price is more, we will get the profit. Formula for profit is selling price minus cost price. And if our cost price is greater than selling price, we will have a loss, and the loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Next we will see how to calculate profit percentage and loss percentage. What is profit percentage? Profit percentage is profit by CP into 100 and loss percentage is loss by CP into 100. We have to keep in mind that both profit percentage and loss percentage are calculated in terms of CP. So profit percentage is profit by CP, that is SP minus CP by CP into 100, and loss percentage is CP minus SP by CP into 100. Another important term is discount. What is discount? That is, we are getting the product at a lower price than the original price. So the price at which we are getting the product is a discounted price. That is the selling price of the retailer. The selling price of the retailer must be in between the cost price of the retailer and printed price. So he will get a profit definitely. Okay, we will discuss this topic later in this video by solving a problem. Let us solve some questions to learn the topic better. Shalini bought a book for ₹900 and later sold it for ₹1000. What is the profit percentage? It's a simple question. I am discussing this question only to understand the concept better. So Shalini bought a book for ₹900. So it is the cost price of Shalini. So CP is equal to 900. Later sold it for ₹1000. So SP is equal to 1000. So here selling price is more than the cost price, so definitely there will be a profit. We have to find out the profit percentage. So what is profit? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is 1000 minus 900, which is equal to 100. So how we can find out the profit percentage? Profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100. So what is profit? 100 by 900 into 100, which is the profit percentage. So what is 100 by 9? 11.11. So that will be the profit percentage. So what if the cost price was 1000 and selling price was 900? There will be a loss, right? Because CP is more than selling price. So what will be the loss? Loss is equal to CP minus SP, which is equal to 1000 minus 900 is equal to 100. So what will be the loss percentage? 100 by 1000 into 100 equal to 10%. So with this question, I hope you understood how to find out profit or loss when we are given with the SP and the CP, and then profit percentage or loss percentage. The next kind of questions which you can expect in an aptitude test is, we will be given with the selling price and profit percentage or loss percentage. We have to find out the cost price, or we will be given with the cost price and profit percentage or loss percentage. We have to find out the selling price. So let us discuss a question based on that topic. A person bought a table for ₹1000 and sold it at a profit of 15%. What is the SP? Here we are given with the cost price, that is the price at which the person bought the table, that is 1000 rupees, and we are given that he got a profit of 15%. He got a profit means selling price is more than the cost price. Profit percentage is given. It simply means that selling price is profit percentage more than the cost price. That is, here the profit is 15%. So it simply means that selling price is 15% more than the cost price. So how to find out a number which is 15% more than the given number? It is just 100 plus 15 by 100 into the given number. Here the given number is the cost price, that is 1000. So SP will be 115% of 1000, that is equal to rupees 1150. What if the cost price was rupees 1000 and he incurred a loss of 20%? How to find out the selling price? Loss is 20%. Simply means that the selling price will be 20% less than the cost price. So how to find out a value which is 20% less than the given number? It is just 100 minus 20 by 100 into the given number, that is, here it is CP, that is equal to 80 by 100 into 1000 is equal to rupees 800. So in this way we can find out the selling price if we are given with the cost price and profit percentage or loss percentage. If there is profit, selling price is simply profit percentage more than the cost price. If there is loss, then selling price is simply loss percentage less than the cost price. So I will show you the formula after discussing one more question. A person sells an item for ₹1000 and earns 25% profit. What is the cost price? So here we are given with the selling price and profit percentage. How to find out the cost price? The same concept we have to use here also, that is the selling price is profit percentage more than the cost price. Here the profit percentage is 25. So selling price will be 125% of cost price. That is 25% more than the cost price is selling price. So we are given with the selling price, that is 1000. 1000 is equal to 125% of CP. So by rearranging this we will get the cost price. That is, cost price is equal to 1000 into 100 by 125, which is equal to 200 into 4, that is 800. So cost price is equal to 800. We have to use the same concept. We are given with the profit percentage, the selling price will be profit percentage more than the cost price, and if you are given with the loss percentage, the selling price will be loss percentage less than the cost price. So what if the selling price was ₹1000 and loss percentage was 20? Here loss percentage is 20. So SP will be 20% less than CP. That is 1000 is equal to 100 minus 20 by 100 into CP. That is 80 by 100 into CP is equal to 1000. So what will be CP? 1000 into 100 by 80, rupees 1250. If SP and profit percentage is given, then CP is equal to SP divided by 100 plus profit percentage into 100. SP and loss percentages are given, then CP is equal to SP divided by 100 minus loss percentage into 100. And if CP and profit percentages are given, then SP is equal to 100 plus P percentage by 100 into CP. CP and loss percentage is given, then SP is equal to 100 minus loss percentage by 100 into CP. So these are inbuilt formulae, but either you can by heart these formulae, or you can simply understand the concept that selling price is profit percentage more than the cost price, and selling price is loss percentage less than the cost price. Then you can easily solve the questions. Let us have one more question which is related to discount. A shopkeeper earns a profit of 12% on selling a book at 10% discount on the printed price. The ratio of the cost price and the printed price of the book is. Before discussing the question, let us have a look at this. If the shopkeeper get a product for rupees 1000 and he print the price as rupees 130 on the product, and he sell the product for rupees 110. So what is the difference between cost price and the printed price? That is 30, and the difference between printed price and selling price is 20. So what will be the profit? Profit is simply the difference between selling price and cost price. That is the price at which he bought the product and the price at which he sell the product. So it is just for conveniencing the customers. They are printing a price on it and giving it a discounted price. In this question, we are given with the profit percentage and the discount percentage. So he is selling a book at 10% discount on the printed price. So we have to find out the ratio of the cost price and the printed price of the book. So let the printed price be 100. So what will be the selling price? He sells the book at 10% discount on the printed price. So discount means selling price will be 10% less than the printed price. So here how to find out 10% less than the printed price? 100 minus 10 by 100 into 100, that is the printed price. So 90% of 100 will be the selling price. So if the printed price is 100, he is giving it at a discount of 10%. So the selling price will be 90. So we got the selling price. Then we have to find out the cost price. So how to find out the cost price? We are also given with the profit percentage. So we have discussed earlier that how to find out CP when we are given with the selling price and profit percentage. So CP is equal to SP by 100 plus P percentage into 100, or simply we have to remember that SP is profit percentage more than the cost price. So here SP is equal to 90, which will be 112% of CP. So CP is equal to 100 into 90 by 112. So we just have to find out the ratio. So we don't have to solve it and find the exact value of CP. We just have to put it in the formula. So we have to find out CP by printed price. So what will be CP? 100 into 90 by 112 by printed price, that is 100. So by solving this one, we will get the ratio as 90 by 112. Further simplification gives the ratio as 45 by 56.